In this video, you will learn how Redis consumer groups let multiple workers split a stream's entries, guarantee each entry goes to exactly one worker, and recover safely when a worker crashes. A Redis stream is like a durable message log. A consumer group sits on top of that log, so many workers can each pull different entries. No coordination code needed in your app, and no entry is processed twice. When a consumer calls XREADGROUP, Redis atomically delivers the entry and records it in that consumer's pending entry list. Only an explicit XACK removes it, so a crash before that point leaves the entry recoverable. We create a group on the order stream, then two workers each pull one entry using the special greater than cursor. After worker 1 finishes, it calls XACK. Xpending shows worker 2's entry is still outstanding. When reviewing a pull request, check that every code path calls XACK, that there is a reclaim loop for idle pending entries, and that XREADGROUP uses the greater than cursor, not XREAD, which fans out to everyone. Remember, consumer groups give you at least once delivery with load sharing. The contract is simple: read with XREADGROUP, process, then XACK. Forget the XACK, and your pending entry list will grow until you have a problem.